Good evening. I forgot to close my window. One sec. I'm closing the window. Any minute now. I'm stuck. Window. Please. Okay. I closed my window. What do we think now? I hate this song that the song just ends randomly. It's stupid. It should not do that. Next song, please. Hey! Okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Today, my glasses aren't sitting right on my head. Nothing is sitting right on my head. My head is not sitting right on my head. It's just us. Oh my god, that's ominous. Please don't hurt me. Hello, Fire Diamond. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Trying to make it so I don't look like I'm balding, as always. Anyway, so today I have a really interesting idea for a Minecraft mod that I think is going to be entirely impractical, but shut up for a sec. We need to listen. I need to get I need to get some epic music in here. All right, so crazy idea for a Minecraft mod that I don't know if this is going to be any good, but it's an idea for a Minecraft mod, and it's crazy. So, hear me out, right? Here's my sales pitch. I'm going to sales pitch you guys. What should I put on? What should I put on to sales pitch? Do I have a good sales pitch song? Good enough sales pitch song. Okay, so you play Minecraft. I play Minecraft. You, when you play Minecraft, naturally, because you are an intense hardcore Minecrafter, you have a lot of different instances. You have a ton of different instances, and you play on a lot of different computers. That was kind of the premise of my last mod. It was that you could sync your worlds between your different computers. But what if you want to start a new instance, but when you start said new instance, you then have to go in. You have to go into your settings, and you have to change back all of your keybinds to match. This takes me a whole 30 seconds when I start a new game. A whole 30 seconds that I could be playing Minecraft. Watch what I have to do whenever I start a new instance. Then I could be playing Minecraft. Look what I have to do. I'm gonna keep it small so you guys can see. Shut up. Shut up. Quiet. Alright. I have to go in. I have to turn off music. I have to go into controls and keybinds. And I have to set this to this mouse button. This to this mouse button. X, Z, V. Unbind this. Somewhere is V. Unbind this. Then I have to go into video settings. I have to set my frame rate to max. I have to set my GUI scale to 2. They changed the settings menu a lot. Oh, and this to bright. I have to do all of that every time I start a new Minecraft. Isn't that such a pain? Isn't that such a pain? Wouldn't it be cool if you could not have to do that? Right? So that's my sales pitch. That's my sales pitch, is what if we made a way to not have to do that? And so, I started brainstorming. Problem, you might want different keybinds and different mods. Shut up. Shut up. Darn it. Don't make my plan fall apart. It's a great plan. It's really smart. Oh no. Okay. And you might want different. I just realized I use different keybinds on different computers too. So this is losing its value the more that we go. It's losing its value the further I go on here. Okay, but here's what my plan was, right? Although I just thought of a new plan, which is infinitely better than my old plan. Oh no, yeah, I just thought of a new and better plan. Okay, but what if this plan is gonna sound so stupid now that I say it, because it is stupid. I just thought of a way better way to do this. Okay, but my original plan I thought was really smart, so I'm gonna go over it. And I kind of wanted to sync between computers, but I think maybe we make it not sync between computers and we just make it sync between instances. That might be easier. Because my original idea was this page right here. Skin page. Because I needed a way to save player data. Right? I need a way to save your keybinds in the cloud. somewhere, but I'm not paying for that server. And I don't want you to have to... I can't use any sort of cloud storage like my previous mod, where you would save your worlds to GitHub repositories, because then you would have to type in your GitHub key every time, and that's more work than just... That's more work than just setting your keybinds. Like, finding that and copy and pasting that in probably would take longer than what I did there. So I thought, what if we figured out a way to store your keybinds inside of your Minecraft skin? Then when you launch with this mod, it pulls your skin, goes through here, pulls your skin, and looks at it pixel by pixel and decodes your keybinds from here. Shut up. Okay. What if it did that? Then, of course, we'd have to figure out how to get the skin. We'd have to... Yeah, it's the whole thing. But it wouldn't be that hard to do, because Minecraft skins are PNG files. That means they can have opacity. This outer layer down here is off limits. All of this is off limits. We can't store anything in it because it can have opacity. Like, this down here can be anything, and it gets like overlaid on top of your skin. But all of this up here, if you take this skin and you make it half opacity, this will show up the exact same. No matter what opacity this is, it will show up the exact same. If you go again, it will still show up the same. Until you get to absolutely nothing. Then it won't show up the same, but this would still show up the same, no matter what opacity you have. And so I was thinking we could encode in each pixel. I will get to chat in a minute. Each pixel, since opacity can be a value in PNGs between 0 and 255, in each pixel we can store 256 bits of data. Bits? No, 256. A number between 0 and 256. That's 1 byte. We can store 1 byte, 8 bits. People are actually here, so I should probably read chat in a minute, but I'm still explaining my genius idea. And so that means for each pixel here of the skin, we could also probably figure out something to use in this unused area here. We could also probably store stuff. But then each pixel can store 1 piece of information. And so each keybind, also in Minecraft, each keybind is a value between 0 and 255. Each keyboard key is mapped to a value in that range. So that means that each one here can be... Why am I on brush mode? Ew. Each one of these can be a keybind, you know? Like this right here could be your keybind for like jump, and depending on what its opacity was, it could decode that, and it would look no different on your skin in game. The problem is that this idea is stupidly complicated. This idea also requires that you be online so that it can download your skin. This idea also requires a way to convert your keybinds and game settings into a skin, and a mapping layer that would map each individual pixel to something. This might be unnecessarily complicated, because I was thinking, if we want to do it on the same computer, we could just store a file somewhere. Like, if we just put it in like your user data... Oh my god, I only have 16 gigabytes left. If we put it into like your normal home directory and like just stored it in here, just stored a file in here, that would be infinitely easier and not require doing this mess with your skin. But then it wouldn't work across different computers, which was like part of my original plan. But then I also realized I use different settings on different computers because my laptop is like weak, so I can't have 16 chunk render distance, and I also don't have side mouse buttons on my laptop, so I use, or middle click, because it's a trackpad. So I use G for middle click, and tilde for F5, and R for my 9th hotbar slot. Forgot to open Smary, and I forgot to open my chat program. Not very helpful. So this might actually be better if we did none of this. And instead we stored it like per computer. Also might be easier to implement. Let's read some chat. Hey guys, welcome to the stream. Yeah, so my mod idea might be falling apart, but I'm still gonna make it. It can just be a proof of concept, if nothing else. Hey Fungus, welcome to the stream. Coding an interpreter for cellular automata. That sounds fun. You can use their free database system. Yeah, but they all suck. Firebase ruined itself. You can't, there's no, for Firebase you need a credit card now. And all the other ones pause your app after like 2 weeks. And then also I'm still responsible for it. I don't want to be responsible for that. Hey Alex, hey Nolan, welcome to stream. Null would cause problems? No, that... Oh, yeah, because it would... Yeah, you're kind of right. But I think 255 is also nothing. So, I don't know. Leave Nolan. Let's not bully Nolan. I think Nolan shouldn't leave. Correct, Alex. Nolan shouldn't leave. Oh my gosh. Why can't type? I don't know. Keyboard low battery? I think you're... Oh, Nolan's signaling in emojis. I see. Can you block emojis from the chat? No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. That's not cool. Hello, Crazy Razy. How do you know? You know my birthday? Happy mildly early birthday. Yeah, you're a couple days early, but yeah. You should totally block emoji. I don't think I can do that. Okay, so new idea. Of course, we're gonna use JSON because JSON is my my senpai. I have it on my taskbar, and I was like, what is VS Code? Okay, so we have a JSON file, and we can have something like, isn't this all stored in one file anyway? Isn't this stored in like options.txt or something? Oh, this is just sad. My mod just got so easy. No, my mod just got so easy. My mod isn't even gonna be cool anymore. My mod is not even gonna be cool anymore. Oh. So all that we have to do is, this is the wrong song for this. This is a better song for this. All that we have to do is copy this, is make a mod that copies this whenever it changes, copies it to somewhere. And then where did it go? Oh no. Oh, here it is. And then whenever this, oh no. And then whenever you start a new instance, it just copies it back in. That's really pathetically easy. I'm gonna make the most pathetically easy mod. This is not even gonna be a challenge. It's gonna work on every single Minecraft version. I'm not even gonna have to put in any work. I'm ruined. Should we do the skin thing anyway, just for fun? Alright, good stream, everyone. Literally. Oh my god. Didn't Jason kill people? Mod, how are you enjoying the gay show? I wouldn't call it particularly gay. I'd call it particularly, I wouldn't call... Okay. It's pretty good. I've been texting you about it. Are you posting gaming video? No, Crazy. No, I'm not. No, I'm not doing that. Hello, Storm Chaser. Hello, Storm Chaser. Do the skin thing. You can store secret data. What resolution do we have? Okay, so, like I said, this bottom half is off limits, except it's not, because not all of this is used. We can also put whatever we want in the unused space. The skin thing might still be cool. I'm gonna look up a Minecraft skin template. And honestly, what if we just put everything in the unused space? What show is the gay show? Good Omens. It's not particularly gay. It's pretty cool, though. Okay, let's do standard, because I think standard... Yeah, standard uses a little bit more than the slim. Yeah. So this is our reference picture. So everything here is off limits. And all this stuff in here, too, just needs to get filled in. This is all off limits, of course. Let me just fill it in. But everything else is in fact on limits. But if we want this to work across other Minecraft versions, as far as I know, when did they add the second skin layer? Because they didn't always have the second skin layer. So all this empty stuff here would be on limits. When did Minecraft add the second skin layer? 1.8. So that means we're effectively cropping this down halfway. We effectively get this if we want this to work pre 1.8. Or, alternatively, we do the opacity thing from earlier, in which case we would get... What the heck? This isn't... Is this... Oh, this is like the second light. What is it? What is the skin for 1.7? Is the template entirely different? Hold on, wait, what? Wait, okay, wait, so this thing can confirm. What? What? Yeah, because... Okay, this looks like it's 1.7.10. But it has the second... What? Wait, do skins not work below 1.7.10 anyway? Let me do a test. This could be interesting. And I'm going to put this on the right Java version that we know works with skins for the most part. Let's see. Genuinely just do stuff in the unused. I'm worried that it's changed between versions, though. Stranger Things? Not Stranger Things, but I am watching that. I'm on episode 3 of season 5. Ooh, Good Omens. Yeah. Never heard of it. Sad to hear the stuff about... That was the writer, right? The writer that did things. I don't know the story. I've just heard. I need to drive soon. Okay, good luck on that, fungus. Need better people to exist. That's real. Be the better people you want to see in this world. When's the Tamagotchi live stream dropping? I don't know. I don't know, man. Okay, I have my skin! And I have layers! How? Oh, I have fat arms, though. I don't normally have fat arms. Yeah, it makes me look weird. Look, I'm black. How do I have layers? And capes? How did this happen, Dinesh? I'm not modded at all. How far back can we go? The skin thing gets jankier and jankier by the day. You can use both to encode data. That's true. Thought it was a joke since Alex called the gay show, so... Oh! Oh, that would be a dark joke. Hello, Oxyneon. Yeah, he very bad. I need to... Yeah, I need to figure out what this guy did. Do you guys think Minecraft killed who's... Michael Jackson? Why am I stuck? I have my skin and my cape in... This is Minecraft 1.2.5! I can't even hit T to open chat! It's so old! How do I have my skin with layers? How far back does this go? And also, how? Does Prism Launcher, like, inject some, like, mod or something? What if I go to beta? Surely not. Surely not. Oh my god! How did skins exist in this version? Alright, alpha 1.0.4. Okay, alpha 1.0.0 and it froze. Wait, it tried to load it though. Wait, you can do that? Minecraft.net/skin/. Oh no, you can't. That's probably why it crashed. I kind of want to find... This is insane, by the way. Okay. Ah! I swear, Prism Launcher has to be doing something. There is no way. There is no way. Okay, well, we're gonna just try the skin thing. I don't really care what versions it works on. This is like more of a proof of concept. There's one writer and Terry Pratchett is the other. Your Minecraft version is amalgamated with the quintillion other versions you have installed. Yeah, it's not a quintillion. It doesn't even fill my whole screen. This is a normal amount of Minecraft versions, I feel like. Whoops. No. No, stop. How about you code your mod in assembly? No, thanks. Could you theoretically do that? That'd be funny. Fungus, yeah, of course Fungus called Nolan Babe. They're lovers. There was an object in my bubbly. I've since swallowed the object. Yeah, the skin crashed my game. Yeah, Modcore does have a voice channel. There's not a normal amount of Minecraft. Yes, it is! I need all of these. I don't need all of these. I've never played on like any of them. Okay. We are gonna do this. We're gonna do it for this. Because in theory, right? It should download the skin file, even if it can't use it properly. But it somehow can use it properly. I don't know. Okay? I don't know. But... yes. So, I want to look at this template. This is all outer layer shenanigans. I can't tell. Should we use the unused space or should we use the outer layer? We should do unused space, right? Because each unused space can store 4 bytes. Because you have the color is 0 to 255. Or you have the opacity is 0 to 255. So that's alpha. And then you have red is also 0 to 255. And then you have green is also, and then blue is also. So this can be 4 different keybinds in 1 pixel. We've wasted a half hour and we haven't even done any programming. In the scene with the Pepsi commercial, did they actually set you on fire or was it CGI? No, they actually set me on fire for that one. We did 21 different takes and it was very painful. It was bad. I did a stellar job in the Michael movie. Make the entire computer from scratch and operating system. Yes. Yes, of course. Nolan, why are you going? I'm the only one that gets to do that. It'd be better to compress the file and store it as binary in the empty space. That's entirely another way to think about it that I didn't think about. Because everything that we need, keybinds, render distance, everything, is stored inside of options.txt. Each color gives us 4 bits. Bytes. 4 bytes. If we compress this, each character is a byte. Let me just base64 hash this real quick. I know this is like no compression at all, but this is the wrong way. Shut up, I don't care. Encode. This ain't gonna fit. I know a lot of this is modded. Yeah, that's that divided by 4. How many pixels do we actually have to work with? Actually, quite a bit. So we need 2275 if we were to go that route, which is very wasteful, and we can definitely compress further. We have 64 plus 128 is 192, 256. We have 256 there. 256 plus 8 times 32, 512. Then we got plus 16, 16, 16. This is really hard to count, actually. Here, I'm just gonna, so we counted this, we counted this, we counted this. That's 256. This is 512. Plus 64, 64, 64. This is 64. This is 64. That's 512 plus 128 plus 32. We have 672 pixels, or 672 times 4. We have 672 pixels to work with. Or 2688 bytes. This is interesting. Any keybinds added by a new mod might cause problems. Yeah, that's... because we don't want it to overflow. Which is why I was going to hard code it. But I didn't realize that they would all just be stored in options.txt like this. Because this would probably be an easier way to go about it. But then also, I was going to be like, you know, this top pixel here would store 4 keybinds. But there's also a lot of wasted space here. Like, we don't need this key.key. We don't need all of this. This is not necessary. And we don't need this to say keyboard F2. We could translate this to something so much easier. But then, yeah, there's like iris and stuff too. Oh, this is so hard. I don't understand. What do you do? This is a coding stream, and I don't think that anyone actually understands what I'm doing, including myself. Welcome to the fun. Alright, see you later, Alex. I'm too tired for the reason I normally came to stream, so I'm gonna bounce. See you later. Go back. I don't believe your math. Why don't you believe my math? What's wrong with my math? Oh, hey, Overcraft. Yeah, I remember you. I remember the Flowey profile picture. I haven't watched these streams in like 9 months. Hello. Welcome back. Yeah, because in theory, like this could all be like JSON or something and be a little bit nicer. Like, you think all of this is key. You could get rid of all of that. All this key.keyboard you could get rid of. Oh, man. This is going to be harder than I thought, though. Because also keyboard keys... keyboard keys are... This is going to be ModMonster talks about making a mod for 2 hours and doesn't actually make a mod. But then, yeah, I want to store all the settings, too, so we kind of have to figure out how to store this whole file. How do you compress text? What happens if you put the contents into a sorter? Why would... I mean, like, it's kind of sorted by sections, sort of, but why would sorting it help? So what if I look up, okay, compress text. I don't know what kind of algorithm there would be for this. But what kind of character counter do we have on this? That's much shorter. Not short enough. There's not a lot of data to work with in a skin. What if we just put this in raw? We did save quite a bit by doing that. But we could save more. I need my VS Code out again. Once again, what if we use my baby JSON? But of course, we'll get rid of all the, like, ugly bits. Yeah, but JSON is kind of inefficient too. English text, is it compresses to at 2 bits per character? Really? I thought it was just generally like 1 byte per character. Can you make a mod titled Get Rich or when you launch the game and immediately closes and pulls up a job application site? That's really funny. I hate not being able to talk at you. Bro, do you want to be on stream? I'll get on Discord. You seem to be very smart. You seem to be very smart. ASCII is 1 byte. ASCII is not compressed. Two bits per character is not possible. Because that means it's only 4 different values. I have Discord open. Okay, here we go. I gotta update Discord, apparently. Because I could probably fit this into 4 bits, right? No, 4 bits is still only... 4 bits is still only 16. How would this happen? Hello, Nolan. Welcome back. How would this happen? If my Discord ever finishes updating. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how we can get this smaller. Resource packs. Okay, there's some things that we can get rid of. We can get rid of resource packs. Okay. Resource packs. Incompatible resource packs. Last server, we probably don't need. Why is it not updating? Yeah, this got harder than I thought all of a sudden. Ah, finally. Like, all of this could get compressed. I don't know how I'd do it. But if I did, like, this, and then I could make, like, my own syntax. So it's like a dash or something, and then everything under it is, like, it gets appended to the front. This feels like a smart thing to do. And then, like, another dash. So this is now, like, one big block. And then you could do, like, the same thing here for, like, this model part. And then, of course, all of this for this key. For all of these. But this all of a sudden has gotten a lot harder to implement also. Then we'd have to sort this. That all of these are, like, grouped together. Key. Following our little syntax. Key. What was it? Key dot? Something like this. And then... And these ones just didn't have key on them? Or am I stupid? No, I'm stupid. Right? Yeah, attack is the first one. Which is up here. And then, like, all of these key dot mouse, we could do, like, M. And all of key dot keyboard could be, like, K. And all of true could be T. And all of false could be F. And then these could, of course, be, like, also my syntax. I don't know if I'm cooking at all with this. All of these debug. Where was it? There? Yeah, just like stuff like this. I don't know if this has done anything. Hello. I don't know if it's done anything. Yeah, but it did help. Could probably compress it even further. What are people saying? You're trying to invent compression from first principles. No! Yeah, but I figured since, like... Oh, you're probably right that this is just gonna do better than me. Darn it! This is unfortunate. This is greatly unfortunate. Hold on, I'm hopping on the cord. Nolan DM'd me. Nolan DM'd me and said I should die. Chill. How do I talk to you on the cord? Let me talk to you, please. Up on, You're in the ModMonster Discord? Why are you not online? I gotta search through everyone now. Are you nicknamed on my Discord, or where are you? Fire Diamond. Go into the recording channel on the Discord. And then you will be on stream. Who is Don Ramen? I don't know. Who is Don Ramen? What is happening on my Discord server? There's a recording one that I added you to. And for some reason it put you in a separate... Why do I have that set up to do a separate section? That's so dumb. Hold on a sec. How do I make it... There, don't display separately. Don't display Hey! There. No way we're saying Don Ramen. I know that's not what you actually typed, but it's funny. You said Ramon, but also Don Ramen is funnier. This is interesting. This is not a problem that I thought we'd be running into. Because then if I was to do my original idea even, right? How do we differentiate between keyboard and mouse keys? Unless we made our own entire new keyboard mapping system, because keyboards don't have 256 keys. But then we also have to figure out how to save every other setting that's ever existed. I don't see a recording channel? Am I stupid? Yeah, I'm literally stupid. I'm so sorry. I don't know how my recording channel role got removed from my recording channel. The whole reason that I had a recording channel role is so that when I wanted to put people in a private call, I could give them that role and then they could show up in my private call. And it was removed from my private call channel. I did make it like 10 years ago and then never had any friends, so... Hello.
Alright.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Stream is really laggy, so I'm probably behind by like half a minute, and I'm going to fall behind every time anything happens.
Probably true, yes. Probably
First
true,
things
yes.
first, take the text file and
Yes.
just put it into maximal compression.
What,
Like
on this
gzip
website thing that I'm using?
No, do it on your own computer.
How? What? Am I getting the command prompt out for this? What am I doing?
I mean, you might as well.
How do you compress? I've never went about compressing text before. Everyone wants you to take over stream, by the way.
I agree.
I have a feeling that in the next couple of minutes I'm going to start to look very stupid. How do you go about compressing text?
So, I mean, first you could just look for like a Python library to do it, or Java, I guess, since it's Minecraft. You can find something that is good at compressing text.
Yeah,
Tell it this is the file I want to compress, and compress it, and then you can get information about how big the file is.
yeah, but like just for a proof of concept right now, like how small can I need a way to figure out how small I can get this into my 200.
How many characters are in it?
Character counter 6,605. And this is mine with a lot of mods, so a vanilla one would be smaller, but I kind of want to like not have it break if you have mods. That would be ideal.
So, assuming it works like English text, you could fit that in about 1,700 bytes.
The lad on the left side of the screen is preventing me from hearing his awesomeness.
More people are saying that you are awesome
and his portrayal of Michael.
and that you're such a smart fellow. I'm so sorry, Fungus, that I'm ruining your enjoyment of Fire Diamond stream. Okay, so how do you get this down to 1,700 characters? That's insane.
Compression. So
there's just
basically
libraries that would do this all for me.
I don't know if the actual current best compression can do that, but there's going to be at least 3 libraries for Java that compress text. I guarantee it.
I'm reading the ad.
Can we get Diamond on the team viewer? I'm sorry, Mod, but your career ends at being the main star of the Michael
Diamond
movie.
on the team viewer.
Time to pack it up.
Okay, so Java Compression Performance by Dmitry Komanov.
I have no idea who that is.
Neither do I. Okay, so gzip. I know of gzip, but it's old.
Diamond wins the next stream.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
I am now like 10 seconds behind instead of a minute and a half.
Hey,
I can see what you're looking at.
That's good. Okay, wait.
gzip is probably the most common, but it doesn't exist on most Windows computers.
Yeah, no, I've used gzip on Linux before, but it has a Java library, so it would work on anything then. Rotly. I'm chewing on popsicle sticks.
Good.
Okay, but large text compression benchmark, sure. God, I don't know how to read this.
I will read it. Delayed by like 20 seconds now.
These are also giant bits of text. I don't have giant bits of text.
Yeah, that's true.
Hard. The easiest way to code mods is by manually writing them on the disk of the hard drive.
Sure.
That is false. The best way to do it is to get what's it called? A butterfly. Get it to flap its wings.
What?
A butterfly. Have you not seen that XKCD?
No, yeah, no, hold on. Butterfly XKC. I've heard of, yes. None of those were words. Yeah, I know of it. Not off the top of my head, though. Real programmers use Vim. No, real programmers use Cat. Real programmers use a magnetized needle and a steady hand. They open their hands and let the delicate wings flap once. The disturbance ripples outward, changing... Oh my god.
Best way to code a mod.
I just have to find a butterfly. See you guys in like an hour. I'm just gonna go frolic in the forest for a bit. Okay, so what? Brotli. I installed Brotli. How do I use it?
That looks like Python.
Who
Yeah, I
is
want to
this
test. It'll
twink?
be the.
In a good way. Is he
Who
replacing
is this
me?
twink?
Fungus.
What?
You've either me or you has been called a twink, but I am not sure who is being addressed by that statement. Thank you, Nolan.
One moment. Is that a gendered term?
Probably. I don't know. Yes, for a male.
I sincerely hope you did not call me that then.
Okay, I'll be the twink. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so this was Python, but it should work the same, right? Like, as the Java library. Just, I don't want to start working on this mod until I have my proof of concept. How do I use this? Okay.
What does the thing say?
I'm reading it, yeah. But how do I use it?
So that's installation.
Okay, installation. And you teach me how to use it, please.
You gotta slow down so I can read this stuff. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna... I have my own browser.
You can probably research better than I can. We're gonna tag team this thing.
Absolutely. You are terrible at this.
Oh my god, I'm trying my best.
Okay, so open idle.
I'm gonna use VS Code. Can I use VS Code?
Sure.
Okay,
It's slower for testing Python, but sure.
I'm doing it.
My goodness. I'm gonna use VS Code for everything.
I love
I feel
VS Code.
old.
It's my baby.
VS Code. VS Code is nice
I gave
if
birth
you find
to
the
it.
right library.
It's my baby. Also IntelliJ.
So you're the one that put all the trackers there?
Yes. Oh my god.
Alright,
IntelliJ is
I
my
am-
adoptive child.
Since you were the one that put all the trackers in there, I am going to figure out where you are located and orbital strike you.
Okay, alright. Is that a death threat? Am I
Anyways.
getting death threaded on my stream? Anyway.
You have it open?
Yeah.
You have a Python file?
Yes. In my downloads folder,
Right.
of course.
Write import Brotli in the top.
Mm-hmm.
Decompressed data equals Brotli.decompress compressed data.
Hold on, I'm gonna restart so that I get my
Wait a minute.
decompress. Where did you find this out? Where is this?
Pythonhyper.org. I'll just send you the link. That's faster.
Pythonhyper.org. Here it is. Oh, I see. I'm just gonna yoink. Okay, so this decompresses it. I need to compress.
Me when I look down 3 more lines and find Brotli.compress.
This is rude. Okay, well, I'm gonna print out compressed, and this is just going to be. I want to read this file. So I'm gonna put this into my downloads too. Oh wait, no, I have it in my downloads, I think. What is options.txt? Oh yeah, no, this is it. Okay,
Do you not have, like, a folder for all of your coding stuff?
no. I'm gonna delete this in 5 minutes. It's not... I do for my projects, but I'm not keeping this Python file, so I don't really care.
You know you could have a test folder inside of that to test stuff.
Yeah, but it's not linked on the side of my file explorer. And downloads is. Please don't kill me.
You are too entertaining.
I'm glad that my terrible coding experience amuses you. It also amuses me.
To be fair, it is also giving me ideas.
What do you mean?
It's giving me ideas.
I'm glad. Minecraft modding in this economy? Well, not quite yet. We're trying things. Data must be a C. What the heck does that mean?
One sec. I am almost to the point where I can read that.
Data must be a C contiguous buffer. Oh, does it have to be bytes? Yes.
Maybe. Yeah.
Why would you do this? Okay.
Well, it's the best way you can do it.
I don't know how to. I don't know how to do this.
One sec. Python string to bytes.
Bytes, text, UTF-8. Okay. Try that. Oh, there we go. How many bytes
It looks
this?
like it worked.
How many bytes is
Yep,
this?
that's
though?
binary.
Yeah, can I do lang? Can I do lang?
You should be able to do len. Yeah. That's a pretty universal.
Oh. We might have done a thing.
So that is just basic compression on it.
But that's
Now,
good enough.
decompress it, and see if it gets back to what you have originally.
Yes, of course. How do I zoom back out? Oh my god, that's way zoomed
Command
out.
minus.
Okay.
You can. Sorry, no, you're on Windows.
I'm on Windows, yeah.
Control minus.
I figured it out. I'm just stupid. Okay, so this is compressed.
Windows.
And now I prefer Mac too, but my streaming stuff only works on Windows.
That's fair. Have you considered Linux? They've probably also got good streaming stuff.
Yeah, my capture card driver doesn't exist on it, and my Stream Deck software doesn't either, because I bought Elgato stuff.
Oof.
Okay, let me copy from this. Okay, so decompress data. We decompress this.
You can either just decompress, or you can create a decompressor to decompress it like a stream. In
but
this
that won't
case,
matter.
you shouldn't need it.
Yeah, that won't matter once I do it in Java.
I mean, yeah, but they probably have a similar thing going on.
Probably, yeah. Now I'm probably gonna have to turn this from bytes into a string. Again, I would assume. Bytes to string.
Try it without. It should be fairly close to a string.
Well, we'll see what it says. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it just says B in front of
And
it.
I mean, that's what you're gonna see if you're actually doing stuff in a real programming language.
Did you just call Python not a real programming language?
It is decent for, like, data science and stuff.
Python is good for what I just did.
It's decent. It's... Okay, I will grant you it's really good for testing out some random thing, because any library you can find probably exists in Python too.
Exactly. That's why it's really
Other
good
than
for what I
that,
just
no,
did.
Python bad.
Yeah, I don't use Python for anything except for this. For testing stuff, for the most part. Okay, but this worked. We're gonna use this, because it was the first thing that I tested and it works. So, 1 hour in, I'm gonna start Minecraft modding, I think.
Does Brotli even exist in Java?
I sure dang hope so, because otherwise we just wasted a lot of time.
I mean, I'm sure Java has a Python interpreter too, if you need.
Broadly 4J, let's do this. Awesome. Very good. I'm sorry, what? Why do you need Microsoft Visual C++ for a Java library?
L.
What?
So probably it's actually a C++ library, and they've just put wrappers around it in Java.
Most likely, probably. But everyone has this. Everyone has this. So you know
could,
what?
What was I gonna say? So the other thing I was gonna say earlier is you could do like a namespace kind of thing that as you go through a sorted list of elements, you come across some pattern that starts for a bunch of them. You write the pattern with some special sequence of characters to know that's a beginning. You put it on a stack.
That's like what I was doing before, right?
That was part of what you were doing before. There was other stuff too.
Yeah, like this key thing. If you were to just put this... Yeah.
But you write a program to do that with as many characters as possible.
Mm-hmm. That sounds hard.
It's basically just a try with extra steps.
A what?
A try, T-R-I-E.
Yeah, I got no idea what that is, so I'm gonna, not. I feel like data structure. Oh, yeah, okay. Kinda. Yeah.
I mean, if you can get a try in, like, actual binary, and then just compress that, that might also work, you know?
Or alternatively, I could do nothing. Because this was already small enough.
Yeah, but that's boring.
Yeah, but this was already small enough. This was already small enough. I'm gonna take my win. I'm gonna take my win. I would like to actually start working on this mod today. It is 8:03 p.m. And luckily I came up with
Counterpoint, if you start working on something, it will get finished.
I'm sorry, why
does it say Nolan in the top left of the screen?
I just noticed the same thing. Why does it say Nolan?
Mind Jinx?
What is making Nolan... I have no sources in my OBS. None of these are Nolan. These are all my sound ones. Why is there Nolan up there?
This is
okay,
awesome.
hi Nolan. Welcome to my stream. Welcome to my stream, Nolan. You're up there now. Okay. Can I be on the top? If you can figure out how to get up there like Nolan did, then go for it. That's his Discord. So somehow...
Wait, I need to check. Has Nolan always been there?
No, wait. How is...
Yeah, 4 minutes and some ago, Nolan popped up top left.
And we just noticed at the same time? That's incredible.
Yeah.
I looked over on my other screen to check everything, and Nolan's just up there. Do you want to be here for the coding part? Do you actually want to be here? Like the mod coding part? Okay. Alright.
Yes.
I'm going to... Who's this mysterious person? This is Fire Diamond. Everyone say hi to Fire Diamond. Everyone say hello. Even though we already did earlier.
07.
07. Anyway. Okay.
Wait, you're not gonna react to the immediate threat I make?
What?
I made a threat.
How did you make a
You know?
threat?
07? A salute? Goodbye?
Oh!
I respect what you did kind of thing?
I didn't take it like that. I hate Friend Diamond. Don't hate Friend Diamond. Love Friend Diamond. Live, laugh for Friend Diamond. Diamond Friend. Okay. I'm gonna take inspiration from KDE. And I'm gonna call this mod Sconfig. Because it's configuration, but with your skin. If anybody makes fun of this name once, I will send you into the Shadow Realm. Thank you.
So that's like scones.
Like what?
Scones. The food.
What, these things?
Give me a minute and I'll see.
Stream delay.
Yes, like those things.
Okay. Well, I pronounce it scone, but yes.
Both work.
Both work.
But you wrote sconfig, so scones.
True. Truly, actually. See, okay, look, I'm gonna show you my programming folder. Look, where did it go? Okay, oh, gotta wait for my entire file explorer to freeze, by the way, because it does that sometimes.
Hasn't frozen for me yet.
And I will put it into Minecraft modding.
Hey, your file explorer froze.
Mod ideas? What the heck? This is from 2020. My god, I have so much crap open. I need to keep this.
What was the compressed one? There was mob spawners, mob grinders, blah, 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 blah.
Oh, the mod ideas? Compressed chest. One chest surrounded by wood gives chest more space. Up to octuple.
Okay, so
This VC
that is a thing.
This VC is not public. It's my recording one on my Discord. Because Fire came in to help me with whatchamacallit, with compression, and actually helped a lot because we figured out how to make this mod actually work.
Now, doing the actual writing of bytes into a skin is going to be a bit difficult, especially since you need to have an instance of the mod active whenever you want to use it. But
what I think is gonna happen, I'm gonna have to figure out, I'm gonna have to write some kind of mapping that says which pixels are safe to write to. Then I have to figure out how to turn a group of 4 bytes into 1 pixel. And then we just fill it all up. And then, after all that is done, I have to figure out how to upload this to the internet and actually change your skin. But this is going to be all for another day. We're just going to start on this today, obviously. I'm not master coder.
the most
I don't have
important
time.
part is reading it.
Yeah, that's true. I don't even know if we're going to get that far, man.
No, you can
Alright.
probably do like a post request to whatever skin service you're using to download the skin in the first place.
I'm thinking, because it's running in Minecraft, I should just be able to pull it from the player, I think. I don't know how,
So you can
but I think you should be able to.
you can pull the skin, but it's pushing it. That's the main thing.
But I know there's mods that do this, so I'm going to look at their source code, and I'm going to figure out how they do it.
A much smarter way.
What do you mean?
Like they're not gonna use skins.
No, but there's no. I mean, there's mods that don't do this. There's mods that like let you change your skin from in-game, for example, and they upload to the.
Ah.
So I'm just gonna figure like for that part. I mean,
Yeah, that makes sense.
gosh, I gotta remember how to use. I gotta remember how to use this again.
Why are there so many layers of folders in Java?
Because Java's evil and hates me. I don't need this.
This is why you should C++.
I can't C++ a Minecraft mod, unfortunately, but oh god, if I would,
I mean,
I could.
technically you could just build a Java wrapper for one. Like, this is entirely just data.
I guess you could.
At the very least, you could use Java to run a Python interpreter, and then have that Python interpreter run a shell script, which runs a C++ compiled program to do stuff.
This sounds very difficult.
Not really.
Implement client mod.
Twilight Forest is a mod that grabs the current player's skin. Look at the giant player from Twilight Forest for a dedicated skin mod.
Ooh.
See the ears mod.
Twilight Forest grabs the current player skin. Okay, cool. We can figure that out. We can do that. We can do this.
Ears mod.
Yeah, there's a mod that gives your character ears.
Does that encode it in the file?
No. I don't know where it stores it,
Okay.
but it's not. I would imagine not. I think it'd be stupid if it did. But I guess it could.
So, if it does, then it might conflict with yours.
I do not care. Frankly, I do not think that that's something I can worry about.
I love how the mod that stores your keybinds conflicts with the mod that gives you ears.
You might be right. You might be right. I don't like that either. That's
Like, come on.
That's really funny, actually.
And the annoying part is you can't just skip anything. Because if you skip one of the pixels, how do you know which one to skip?
What?
Like, if you have the ears stored in the skin, and you want to skip them, you can't.
Wait, what is going on here? Why?
I can't see what you're doing yet.
What is going on here? So this is set to version 25, right? And this is set to version 21.
Apparently Fungus is here too now.
Go to 25. Oh.
What the heck is going on?
Trying to figure out how to make my Minecraft work properly. How long has Fry Diamond been a programmer? Wait, Fungus is here too! Oh my god, that's what you said! Fungus is here!
Yeah.
Hey, I thought you were just meant in chat. Look at Fungus
No.
and Nolan. What? Welcome to my stream, guys. Are you having fun up there?
I guess I'm a hive mind?
Are they having fun up there? What is the Java 25 is not supported. How is release? How? I have this happen every single freaking time that I use. No, Project SDK. Listen to me.
Yes, I am having fun. Is 3. Also tell Nolan to undeafen.
3? Tell Nolan to undeafen. Nolan, you should undeafen, I guess. Oh, thank God. Okay, Minecraft is launching.
Genuinely, how are you doing that?
Doing what?
Press enter to enable the narrator.
No, like them.
Oh, showing up on my stream like that?
Yeah.
I have not the foggiest idea. It's because it's not in my... It has to be some sort of Discord integration that I set up, but it's not in my sources list, which is incredibly confusing. Oh, wait. Wait, what? Oh, there they are. I got rid of them. I want to keep them, though, because it's funny.
It is funny.
I'm going to keep them for this stream.
Oh, they disappeared.
No, I'm keeping them for this stream. I put them back. but it's a Discord overlay, but I think it's pointing to a private... Yeah, it's pointing to a different channel for some reason. That's like not part of my anything.
So you need to get it to point to a different channel then.
I should
So
have it
points
pointing.
at...
I should have it pointing to this channel that we're in. But I don't really know how to change it because it's a browser source, and so I'm not going to touch it for right now. And I'm going to leave Nolan and Fungus up there.
That's valid.
I think it's funnier this way.
True.
Okay, what I want to get done today for this stream is I want to get
You
done
want
the
to
part...
get stuff done today?
Yeah, ideally, yes. I want to get done the part that decodes the skin. So what I'm going to have it do is I'm going to have it look for a skin inside of your config folder for now. Because I don't think I'm going to be able to get it to pull the skin, and I want to be able to test this quicker. And I want it to be able to just decode this options.txt file from... Where is it? This. From this skin. But to do that, I'm going to need the template back. Which, no, that's my thumbnail. Skin template. This one. And what I think I'm going to have it do, I think the easiest course of action is going to be to do what I did before. and fill this in with black. And then, then I should be able to loop in order to figure out where is safe, where it should be reading from, and also where it should be writing to. It should be going through the pixels on this template, and if it's transparent, then it's good, and if it's black, then it's not. And I'm going to include this template, bundle this template with the mod, and then it can just like kind of overlay the existing skin file on top of it. Like imagine like using it as a reference. No, like that's I'm trying to visualize it for people that don't know what's going on. Like it wouldn't actually do that. But if you think it like it starts on the top left pixel, and then if this is transparent, then it will look at the top left pixel on this image and grab data from it. And if it's not, it just skips and continues to the next transparent one.
Oh, Custom NPCs is a mod that reads custom skins for NPCs.
Okay.
You can reference custom NPCs as another source possibly.
This is good to have all these sources to look at, because I'm not very good at this, and other people are way better than me at this. And so being able to have that to look at is going to be very helpful. I think this would go in assets. And I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to call this skin template. Maybe. Or let's do skin reference.png. I don't need Minecraft open right now.
Maybe you could do mask.
Skin mask?
Like
yeah, that's smarter. That's smarter.
Yeah.
I like that.
That's what it is.
I forgot the word.
L.
So what I want this to do is I want this to pull... How can we pull the player's skin? Surely we can pull the player's skin. Let's figure out how to pull the player's skin. Let's figure out how to do that. But before, okay, but we need to do the functionality that writes to the skin before we do the functionality that reads from the skin. Because otherwise I have to manually create.
No.
Otherwise I have to manually create my first one. That sounds disgusting.
You could just like put a random dot in the middle of it and see what it goes to, you know?
But then it would read something, and like, because it's going to imagine that it's compressed too. So it's going to read something and try to decompress it and probably create garbage. And I won't have any idea if it's working properly.
You don't have to decompress it though. You could just read it.
True. But also, why not make the thing that saves the skin first? I can't think of any reason to not.
Because it'd be nice to be able to read it before you write to it.
Decompress me.
Fungus, what does that mean? What do you mean decompress you? That sounds vaguely flirtatious.
I still have no idea.
Are
the
you a
mod
zip
you're
file?
making. What is it?
Okay, so the mod, yes. We are, what in the heck? So we're saving your keybinds and other Minecraft configs to a skin. Your skin will then obviously be saved as Minecraft skins are. And then every time you open a new device with this mod, it will load your things, your settings, your Minecraft settings from your skin. It's a crazy, insane idea. And that's why we're making it, because it's crazy and insane and very cool.
Okay, so idea. Going with the idea of
Nolan
the
isn't
skin mask
fulfilling
being a
his
mask,
marital duties. He is
what if
giving
you
the
just
silent
fill it
treatment.
with on bits? And then you can and the two together.
What?
Damn, Nolan.
Nolan isn't fulfilling his marital duties.
So like bitwise and you only need to keep the things in certain sections. No, never mind.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, I am going to make the encoder first, against all better judgment, because I feel like it. But first things first, we have to figure out how to get this thing into our mod. We have to get broadly. into our mod.
I have no idea what you're looking at. The stream froze for me. I might just close it.
You probably have to restart it because it's still running from my end. Okay.
Like, I could go up to the front, but for me, it's just buffering.
That's not good. That's generally not good.
I am a minute and a half behind right now.
I think this is a different... This is not...
Oh, I could... Haha. I can set quality to 144p.
Is your internet not optimal?
I
Is that
mean,
what's happening?
it's not bad. There are multiple people using it. It's probably the thing.
That's fair. Rest in pineapple.
True.
Okay, so I have no idea if this is going to be what I want, but I'm going to put this into... Let me zoom in. See, how do I... Oh my god, I had to look this up last time. I don't know how to zoom in.
What are you trying to do?
Zoom in.
On what?
IntelliJ.
Try Control Plus.
Yeah, I have been. Zoom
Try
IDE.
Control Alt Plus.
125%. Yes, but I need more.
Try Control Shift Plus.
Yeah, I tried all of everything with plus. I remember it being something stupid and weird, but I don't remember what it was that was stupid and weird. Oh my god, I keep clicking on
IntelliH Zoom In. Control Mouse Wheel?
No. It's okay, we got it zoomed in.
Keypad Plus.
We got it zoomed in.
No, but try it.
No.
Alt Shift equals.
Yeah, that did it.
Haha.
That's
So you can
really
do
weird.
Alt Shift with plus or minus, and that zooms
Yeah.
in and out.
Yeah. Yeah, let's just try this thing first and make sure that it works. So this is apparently going to load the word meow. That's definitely something that I've needed to load for all of my life.
Pick a number from 1 to 3.
2.
Okay, you have picked Evolve Idle.
What? What are you playing?
Evolve Idle.
Oh, that's the game that you're going to play. I see.
I wasn't going to play a game originally. I was going to do coding, but I got bored.
That's real. Yeah, you're real for that.
Also, I haven't actually gone into coding. I'm just talking and got bored talking.
I'm sorry I'm boring.
It's not you. It's the idea.
It was my idea! Fungus and Nolan are still up there. Shut
It
up,
is
Fungus.
you.
I'm getting bullied on my own stream. I don't like any of you. I hate all of you. I'm gonna destroy the world. I'm just kidding.
This is an objectively interesting idea.
Failed
I
to
am
load
having
native
fun.
Library. Okay. So, why are you failing to load the library? When I told you to load the library? Please?
Did you hear that?
I heard something that sounded like a cheese grater.
Okay, it was 2 pieces of cardboard.
Why?
Let me join call so I can protect you from
Because
this
I'm trying to
little
figure out
lad
how to
named
get this box to
ModMonster.
close.
Okay. Should we let Fungus join the call?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, this stream is going to crap. All right, hold on a sec. Mysterious Fungus. Add recording channel. All right, Fungus, come on in. Come on in, Fungus. Oh, Fungus left from the top. Okay, blah, blah, blah. So why is this not loading
I'm just waiting for Fungus to join so we can deafen.
Wait, what? Hello, Fungus. Hello, Fungus? Fungus, where are you?
I'm so
you
mad at
add me?
Nolan. He isn't answering me and he's on deafened.
Oh. That's not very nice of him.
Anyways, I'm here to protect you from the Diamond Man.
Thank you for protecting me from the lovely diamond person that I don't need protection from, but thank you. Friend
You're
Diamond.
welcome.
Friend Diamond. Friend Diamond, guys. Friend Diamond. Who is
He's so
also deafened.
friendly,
This
he's
is
so
true.
friendly.
This is true.
Yeah,
They are Friendly Diamond. We love Friendly Diamond.
we love him.
Okay, but why is this not... Why are you unsatisfied? Satisfy! Be satisfied.
I'm not invited. Loudly crying, loudly crying, loudly crying.
Loudly
Confirmed
crying,
mod
loudly
hates kids
crying.
and minors.
Yep, I do hate kids. Hate them.
Wow.
What the heck?
What happened?
I have to... What the heck? How do I add this dependency meta... What? What?
I have no idea what you're looking at. I'm still at 144p.
I don't understand. I hate Griddle.
Diamond Man, do you want to bully Mod in his stream?
A, that doesn't refer to me. B, that doesn't refer to me because of a different thing. And C, no.
Wow.
Oh.
Skill issue simply be older. I don't even think you're in
Exactly.
my
Also,
Discord.
fun fact, I don't have a name on Discord.
Yeah,
That's
I can
true.
tell. I don't know how this happened. But,
You will never know,
but that's
or I will
cool.
never tell.
Broadly for J. Not in the class path. Sure.
So, how's the weather in Canada?
Canada as a monolith. It's been pretty warm for the past couple days.
Whoa. That's crazy.
It's been quite warm.
What's it like being that close to the sun?
What? Can we use gzip instead? This would be so much nicer. Is gzip gonna be good
There's
enough?
probably a library for it, yeah.
Yeah, but is
But I
gzip
mean,
gonna
like,
be
for the
good
pro-
enough compression?
Oh, gzip's the best.
Because then why are we using this Brotli
gzip.
thing?
Because you found it first and you didn't bother to look for anything else.
Well, I know what gzip is, and gzip is used inside of Minecraft, and I love gzip, and I would give my firstborn child to
Goodness.
gzip.
You
Where's
need
my
to think
bash?
these things through.
Do I have gzip in here? Yes. How do I use gzip? Okay, cd downloads gzip options.txt. Where is it go? Where
Well-
is it go? No, seriously, where does it go? Options.txt.gz.
I thought LZMA was the best one.
What is LZMA? Who is humming?
Wait, attack Clash of the Titans?
Clash of the Titans?
You guys are 8 minutes from the sun, right?
Isn't
Yeah.
everybody 8 minutes from the sun?
No, you are.
I totally am 8 minutes from the sun. Yes, I am not 45 minutes from the sun.
Where are you? Where is
Aren't
bro?
we all 8 minutes from the sun?
Urath.
What?
I promise
I
I'll
too
be a
am
good boy.
Urath.
Please add me to VC.
I don't know how to add you to VC. I don't even know what your Discord is.
Don't. Block.
Don't. Hey, but how do I don't know how to use gzip.
One moment.
Okay, let's try more compression.
Have you considered using any of the first 2, 3, 4, 5 resources
Bro,
when you
you
search
literally have
gzip
me
in
as
Java?
friends. Does our friendship mean nothing to you?
Yeah, but
Well,
again, I'm
you're
trying to figure
fine.
out if gzip is going to be good enough to compress.
Yes, it will.
Will it? Let's see how big this thing is. 2.3, it's 2,369 bytes, which is technically within our qualifications. So yes, it is good enough, but it's worse for sure. But I will be using it because it seems easier. And I think Minecraft
Are you using
already has
maximal
it.
compression?
Yeah, I used level 9 or whatever. I think that's... Where did my...
Huh.
Where did my code go? Where did my code go?
Disappointing.
My code is gone. All of it is gone. Why? Where did it... What? Not that I had
Skill
much,
issue.
but where did it go?
I ate it. I got hungry.
Ah. Oh wait, no, I accidentally moved it back to my downloads. Okay, very good.
Damn.
Yeah. Okay, get rid of this. This can stuck it. Now, how do I use gzip?
Hey,
Hey,
watch
so-
your language, buddy, boy.
Are you Captain America?
What? Going on?
How did you know?
Okay, so gzip Java. Sure, DigitalOcean. Fungus, I might have to get rid of you. I'm sorry.
That wasn't me! That wasn't me!
Was that not you? Okay, I'm sorry.
The code tried to escape.
How dare you?
ModMonster
How the
code was
rich get
effect
richer
decoded
and the
itself.
poor get poorer.
I'm sorry.
know,
I
right?
assumed that based on past experience, you were in fact the one that went womp womp.
How
I
dare you?
can't believe you thought you think I would do that.
Drink water, idiot. Fine, I'll drink water.
That one usually costs pints, right? How many pints of blood do I have?
I'm done crying.
Drink water.
Idiot.
250. Okay. So for 250 pints of blood, I can get you to drink a couple ounces of water,
A mouthful. One sip.
which is not 250 pints.
That might kill me. That might kill me if I were to do that.
That one was definitely me. That was definitely me that time.
Are you just trying to get Fungus to stay alive?
No?
Okay. Test
I can't
strength.
believe. Do you think I'm that type of person?
What?
I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't ever do the womp womp. Nor that. That wasn't me. That wasn't me.
I swear I'm getting pranked. How do I... get bites. Okay. Slap me.
No!
Who is...
Stop!
Who is... I'm leaving my Discord open now so I can see who does this. What? I hate both of you. I'm getting trolled in my own stream. I think that you guys are conspiring.
No, we're
This
not.
Minigate, will it be
We are not at
available
all
in select
conspiring.
version ranges?
I have no idea. It might not be available for anything. I might not, in fact, actually make this a real mod. It got a lot harder than I thought it would be. MineKit was not that hard.
I just got a friend request from something.
Probably one of my people. Okay, wait. Yeah, I'm gonna just copy this code.
How dare you?
Seems easy.
How dare you do the thing that everyone does anyways?
Yeah,
Yeah.
seems the most easy. We're gonna just call this
Horrible,
hello world.
horrible.
Yeah,
You're
we'll put a little
horrible.
asterisk. We'll put a
How-
little tilde there. We'll be a little flirty with it.
A tilde? What the heck?
Like the musical?
Info.
One sec, I'm 4.5 minutes desynced. What's going on right now?
To string. To string. Okay, so this should zip this. And we set the compression level. Fire Diamond has Nokia 3310 internet.
I wouldn't say quite that bad, but you're pretty close. Only a few decades off.
We're 2 decades off. Wait, so this set level 9. Yeah, that's 9. All right, let's run the game and see what happens. This should compress hello world. And then I'm gonna
Immediate crash.
immediate crash. Well, this is no external libraries, so I certainly hope not. It might though. I'm not counting that out of the question. Bro, where do you get your internet and from what provider? That's a good question, bro. Dox yourself. You should give us your IP address too. Okay, there's the
No.
thing. There's the thing. It printed. I have zero idea how to verify this. So I'm gonna assume that since it didn't crash, we are all good.
Just decompress it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't write code for that. So let's do this. And we're gonna have a public static now I'll do a byte array. Compress. It will probably be a string in. Or I guess we could also just do a byte array in, maybe. I'm gonna put this into here. And this is going to be in. And then we're going to... What did we do here? The byte output stream to byte array. Okay.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know
Why?
why.
Because it was stuck in a glacier.
Now that's funny.
No! Stop!
What?
No! Stop!
What?
What?
What? Are you okay, Mod?
I'm in shock. I don't know what is happening on my own stream. I'm just sitting here in my corner doing my silly little coding. Huh? Huh.
Hmm.
Huh.
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 Wait, does this actually
Huh.
come across well? One sec.
No!
I need to join to protect Mod from fungus before he gets fungus rotted.
What? Before I don't. What?
What?
Who is making noises?
It's not me.
I saw your green ring
Totally.
go off. It's you.
It's it wasn't those noises.
I don't believe you.
If you don't believe me, I'll bring the hurricane.
Excuse me?
How dare you? Hey Mod, what's that thing behind you?
There's
Blink
nothing
twice
behind
if you
me.
need help, Mod.
Are you sure about that?
Yes. Yes,
I guess
am
I'm just
absolutely
seeing
sure.
things then. That thing that looks like it's about to reach around your chair.
I'm literally looking at my camera right now. There is nothing behind me.
Damn it. I forgot you have a camera.
I'm on stream.
Slap me.
I can't watch stream.
I swear.
Me neither.
Slap me.
Stop! I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you guys off my stream. I'm killing you guys off my stream.
You don't even know where I am.
You're in my Discord channel. I'll get you out of my Discord channel.
He muted.
What?
He muted. I'm sorry. They muted.
Okay, and then we'll do info, decompress this. And if this prints out this same string, then we're in business.
Awesome.
Except I gotta make sure that we're setting the right compression level. Don't run this yet. Might be
By the way,
fine.
can someone tell me if it works? I want to react with the golf clap sound effect.
Using a high compression level might be more strain on the CPU, but less. Well, it's not going to be on the network. It won't matter on the
Fungus
network.
has interrupted so much of my TTS.
Using a high compression
He owes
level
me
means
so
it's
much
smaller.
points.
Yes, we need it to be smaller in this case. Even if it uses more CPU. Hello,
Okay,
world.
but who really needs as much CPU as they have?
It worked.
Also, because you're doing it on startup, there is a significant amount of extra CPU available.
Mm-hmm. Yay! Thank you.
What
Okay.
happened?
So it worked.
I have like a
Slap me.
congratulation one in a different server. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, what was that?
What, slap me? I don't remember where that came from. I think it was a clip from one of my streams.
Why would you say that?
I was in Tears of the Kingdom, and I was trying to get something to slap me up somewhere. Like onto a...
Valid.
Yeah, like by one of the spinny things. I was trying to get it to slap me, and it didn't. Okay, let's
All I know about
Darius,
Tears of the
wait, let me
Kingdom.
apologize to Darius
what?
What?
because I've been interrupting his chat thingies. TTS.
Oh.
I'm sorry, Darius.
Yes, you should
I'll
apologize.
give you all the points. Mod will give you all of his points.
No, I will not.
Actually,
He
can I get
said
some
he would.
points for helping with this?
Yeah.
Yes, but I'm gonna take them away for being annoying after the fact.
Wow.
You know
Yeah.
what?
Prove it was.
You know
I
what?
deserve
Prove it was
that.
them.
You know what I'll do? Since I'm such a generous streamer,
Slap me.
One moment, let me.
whoever did that,
That wasn't me that
you
time.
guys are
That one
so
actually
glad.
wasn't me.
You guys gotta be so lucky that I'm not able to look at my
90%
Discord.
of them were me. That one wasn't.
You know what I'm gonna do for your generosity in helping me with this?
One moment, can I go above 144p real quick?
I'm gonna give you 1 point.
480.
Congratulations
Ah,
on your 1 point.
Can you give me 2 points?
okay. That just is annoying now
Why?
because it's not a multiple of 5.
All of my rewards are a multiple of 5, aren't they?
Mm,
Wait, I think they all are, aren't they?
Give
Are there any
them
that are
0.5.
even-
what is
Hold
the
on.
most? You don't have anything annoying.
Yeah, now you're. Oh, that actually. Okay, maybe if you help me 4 more times. Maybe if you help me 4 more times. Ooh!
That one
Fungus!
wasn't me.
Goodbye, Fungus. Thank you for coming. I'll see you later.
For the record, most of the times when you thought it was Fungus, it was actually me.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Fungus. You can come back. You can come back.
Damn.
Yeah, fine. Darius, you can have 1 point too. You can also have 1 point. I'm gonna ruin your number as well. And you know what, Fungus, for the inconvenience, I'm also gonna give you 1 point.
Really?
There.
I'm the one that got you to those points.
Yes, be grateful. Everyone be
Can you
grateful.
say
I'm
sorry?
such
Can
a
you say
generous
sorry?
streamer. What?
Can you say sorry?
No. I gave you a point.
Sorry.
What more could you want?
2 points.
I'm so sorry. Na, na, na. That's the song, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
You know what? We should all be nice to Mod and don't not ruin his stream.
Yes, in
I think that's
fact.
fair.
Yes,
I
in
haven't
fact,
been
you guys
ruining the
should.
stream. I have been providing entertainment while something that is less interesting to the masses happens.
Probably true.
Also, my comb is filled with gunk and I should clean it.
What?
This is such Don Ramen energy.
What?
This is what?
Ramen.
Ramen?
How is this ramen?
Ramen energy.
How?
I don't know.
Okay.
Your logical fallacy is burden of proof.
My 1 point.
Nom. You should donate your point to me.
Yeah, true. If you got
Everyone
people
should
to
donate their point to me.
if you got people to donate, oh yeah, you could gamble it away too. That's true. You could gamble away the odd amount of points. If you don't want to have an odd amount.
That's true.
If you
Then
do
you might win it back.
If you do the gamble that isn't an even split, then you should be able to get to a state where no matter what you do, you will get to a multiple of 5.
Yeah, probably. I thought it was so rare
I think
because the
you can
only
just-
way for you to do it would be to because the only way to get there would be have this happen, but it's not even that It's not even rare. Because you can just gamble.
Which? Oh, yeah.
I thought I
I
was
mean, you
doing
could
you guys a
enforce
favor.
stricter rules on gambling.
You could... What? Oh.
You could enforce stricter rules.
Yeah, but I think it's kind of funny. If you can gamble
Also, I
with
still
69
really
points.
think you should do the 1.9 and 0.51.
What?
Gambling where the win is 1.9 times and the loss is 0.5 times.
Oh. Yes, but why?
Because I don't like gambling on hard mode.
Fair. Too bad. I'm probably not gonna touch it from now on. You're getting more praise in chat. Fire Diamond
I saw.
seems super dope.
Yeah, I already responded to it.
Friend Diamond. Friend Diamond. I'm sorry you have to correct everybody.
I mean, it's not like YouTube has pronoun features.
Would be cool. Actually, it does. But it's only on the channel.
Really?
Yeah, you can go on. I don't have it on my channel, but you can go to... Let's see. Can I find anybody that has it?
Diamond and Fungus are really carrying the stream. Really cool.
I swear that there's... Why didn't... Nobody that I'm subscribed to has their pronouns on their channel. I swore that...
Gotta
this was
find
a
more
feature.
interesting people to subscribe to.
No, but I swore that this was a feature. Is this not a
And to
feature?
be fair, I also haven't done voice training for very long.
This may not be a feature. May have made that the heck up. Actually.
How could you?
What does
I
Fire
trusted you.
Diamond identity as? No. Okay. So this is working. We have 5 minutes. All that we did was compress a file. It's been 2 hours.
I could have
And
done
we
that in like 15 minutes.
So could I. I don't
could've
think I
written
would
a
have needed
bash
15
script
minutes.
to do that in 2 minutes, and then just called the bash script from Python. Ugh.
This is sad. I'm sad. I'm a sad human being.
This is what happens when you get people to look over your shoulder while programming.
This is absolutely true. I blame you, and I blame Fungus, and I blame everybody.
What did I do?
I don't know. You've been putting sound effects in my ear.
Not really.
Maybe.
It was mostly me.
I hate
Yeah,
that I don't know
exactly.
who's doing it.
It's both. It's both.
Well,
want
It
this
us
was
to
fun
more
either way.
me than you.
Do you want us to stop?
No, it's kind of funny. You're fine.
No!
That was you, Fungus. I see your ring.
Wait, what if we played something at the same time?
It would play at the same time.
Wait. 3, 2, 1.
You didn't do it at the same time. I thought better of you. Can I do a color? Yeah, but do I want to do a color? No, let's do public
I was the only
static.
one that actually helped mod and provided good advice. Fire Diamond and Fungus is fraud who want to ruin you mod.
I have actually
Fire
provided good
Diamond-
advice. I just want that on the
yes.
record.
Yes, Friend Diamond did actually provide good advice. Fungus has been here.
I also could have provided more advice if you decided to do it yourself with like parsing domains and stuff.
Yeah, but the thing is,
I feel
I'm
like it's a
not
better term for that.
very good at this. So that's, yes.
Just do more. Implement a strategy pattern, and then you can have one way that is just use a compression library, and one way that is do it yourself.
What?
Strategy pattern. You don't know patterns yet, do you?
I don't know. No.
Damn. Okay, I'm gonna send you a link.
Okay.
From Zelda.
Let's do x is 0, x is less than 64.
Where is this loop? Am I desynced? I might be desynced again. Yep, I am desynced. That's why I couldn't see it.
Wait. What do you mean desynced? I see the video. Or the link, I mean.
I don't even know what to look up for this.
Also, I would not call a strategy pattern interface spam. That's a very different thing.
Using interfaces to make stuff scalable. Okay.
Strategies you can change at runtime, interfaces you can't.
Is that the link that you put in this chat? I may look into this at some point, but also maybe not.
I highly recommend you do. Useful for any advanced programming, especially since you're using Java, which is an object-oriented language.
So let's do array position is going to be, okay, we have to remember that we can fit 4 bytes into 1 pixel. So each one would be y times 64 plus x modulo
bit
64 times 4. What?
Use bit shift.
What is bit shift?
The double left or double right arrows.
Oh, those scare me.
Trust me, it's gonna make a whole lot more sense. I mean, yeah, a strategy pattern doesn't have to be at
I don't
runtime,
know how to.
but it can be used at runtime, where an interface is you tell it what it's gonna do at the beginning, and that's it. Interfaces are really good for separation of concerns. Strategy patterns let you separate things, but they also mean you can change how you're trying to do things while it's running.
Listen and learn, guys. We got a real programmer in on stream today. Special guest, real programmer.
I am not a real programmer. Give me
You
like
should-
30, 40 years, I will be a real programmer.
That's a long time.
Yes.
You should change the title.
Of-
Say featuring.
I'm
Real
not changing the
programmer.
title.
Featuring mod.
Featuring no. I'm gonna change my channel name to Fry Diamond featuring mod.
It is not Fry Diamond, it's Fire Diamond. There's a difference.
Yeah, I know, but I've been calling you Fry Diamond and also Friend Diamond. It's a very manipulatable name. Manipulatable? You can mess with it, and it's funny.
Maniputable.
Sure.
Mutable.
Mutable.
It's a mutable name. We understand that. Fungus
Okay,
muted.
my brain is cooked. I don't even know what I'm coding anymore. So I'm gonna
One moment, I
give
can
up.
read it and tell you what you're doing.
no, it's 9 o'clock. I'm gonna give up.
No. Also, there's probably going to be stuff going wrong because you've got like modulo and addition all scrambled together.
Hold on.
I'd recommend putting lots of parentheses in that area.
I give up.
You can't really do a strategy pattern without an interface. but an interface is not the same as a strategy pattern.
I'm so confused right now.
All right.
Like, the point of a strategy pattern is you have different implementation methods for a given interface.
I'd like it to be everyone to be aware that Nolan is still up there.
And he's
Still
still
deafened.
deafened.
Still up there.
Can someone bonk Nolan?
Hold on, wait. I can actually go in with Nolan. One sec. I'll be right back.
Same.
Hello, Nolan.
He's deafened, I told you.
I'm gonna come back. He's not here. Nolan is not with us at the moment.
I have not heard of a start pattern. I probably should have.
talking about programming. We're still talking about programming. Okay. You guys have fun. I have to actually end stream and be a responsible live streamer. I'm sorry,
I
guys.
want to talk with the people in chat, and I don't see start pattern as a single thing in any of that. Oh, strategy. Okay. Yeah.
I just
You should use
realized
it.
something really cool.
Very good.
I'm holding this with an elastic band.
Oh no. What? Oh,
Amazing.
that's what you're holding. I thought you meant like the stream and you were going to cancel it at any time. But
Oh, that
no,
would
I was
be
just
really
desynced
funny.
and didn't see that yet.
That would be really funny.
Watch me get cut off in the middle of my sentence.
I'm gonna give you guys. I'm gonna give you. Do you guys have any last words?
Don't do it. You doesn't have to come to this. Please, you don't have to do this.
All right. Who should I,
I
take
have a
out first?
family.
You don't
Who
have
should
to
I take
end
out
it.
first? Give me
I
one
have a
good reason why I
family.
shouldn't take you out first. Both of you.
I'm smarter.
I'm funny.
Those are both pretty
I'm
good
smart
reasons.
and funny.
Compelling
I was very
argument.
good at manipulating you into thinking that it was Fungus that was being annoying.
Okay. Just for that, I think you're going first.
Damn
Any
it.
last words? Any last words, friend Diamond? If that's even your real
Can I
name.
have a minute to think?
Yes, of course. Take your time.
Oh.
I don't know what I expected, but yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Well-
Am I being eliminated too?
Yes, you are, Fungus. Do you have any last words?
Guys, give me money, remember?
Those are your last words. Goodbye, Fungus.
Bye.
And now Nolan is the only one that's left. Now the only one that's left is Nolan. Everybody say hello to... Oh, and Fungus! Fungus is back. Look at that. I have to remove this role from everybody now so that they can't... Bleh. Anyway. That was fun. We got exactly nothing done. Like I said, the only thing that we did this entire time was write a program to compress a string. I'm the best programmer of all time. Also, it doesn't even work. But I tried, and that's what matters, I think. Anyway, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Yeah, no, that was the most unproductive mod stream. Next week, unless I have another crazy idea randomly, we're probably going to go back to what we were doing before. Which is to say, Minecraft, illegal items. We are so close to finishing. We probably have like 2 or 3 more weeks, and we can finish that up. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys later. Have a great rest of your week, and a good night. Goodbye.